rat walks toward a cat. It is not afraid. It should be terrified. Instead, it strolls calmly into the danger. Something is steering it. Inside its brain lives a passenger with an agenda of its own. A single-celled parasite has rewritten the rat's instinct for survival. It infects roughly 2 billion people worldwide. And it may be quietly writing inside your skull right now. Meet Toxoplasma gondii, one of the most successful manipulators in the natural world. The parasite is not a passenger, it is a driver. A puzzle that began with a desert rodent. In 1908, scientists in Tunisia found it in a small mammal. They named it after that animal, Toxoplasma, meaning arc-shaped body. Charles Nicoll, the bacteriologist whose institute first described this parasite. For decades, Toxoplasma seemed like a minor infection. Most healthy people never noticed it at all. Its true home is the cat. Only there can it reproduce. To complete its life cycle, it must travel from prey to predator. A rat eats infected feces. A cat eats the rat. The circle closes. But how does the parasite get from rat to cat? Rats avoid cats. Evolution wired that fear deep into their brains. So the parasite faced a problem, and it found a solution. Joanne Webster, the parasitologist who tested infected rats at Oxford. In the 90s, she tested infected rats in a simple arena. Each corner held a different scent. One smelled of cat urine. Healthy rats fled the cat odor. It was pure instinct. But the infected rats lingered near it. Some seemed drawn in. Fear of cat odor dropped dramatically in infected animals. She called it fatal attraction. The parasite had not blinded the rat. Other fears stayed intact. It surgically erased one specific terror, the smell of cats. This precision stunned researchers. How could a microbe be so targeted? Robert Sapolsky, the Stanford neuroscientist who traced where it settles. At Stanford, his team traced where the parasite settles. It forms cysts deep in the amygdala, the brain's fear center. There, it nudges the wiring that links smell to dread. Cat odor stopped triggering fear. It began triggering something like attraction. It takes a hardwired aversion and turns it inside out. But how does it actually flip the switch? Toxoplasma carries genes for making dopamine, a key brain chemical. Dopamine drives reward and motivation in nearly every animal. The parasite appears to raise dopamine right where it lives. It may chemically rewrite what the rat finds rewarding. Infected rats can carry far more dopamine in cyst regions, a microbe that drugs its host from within. This was no accident of infection, it was strategy. A parasite engineering its own delivery into a cat's stomach. And then researchers ask the obvious question, what about us? Humans are not natural hosts, but we get infected constantly. We eat undercooked meat, we garden, we clean litter boxes. Jaroslav Flegr, the Czech biologist who studied the parasite in people. This Czech scientist noticed strange changes in his own behavior. He took more risks. He felt oddly calm in danger. Then he discovered he was infected with Toxoplasma. So he began studying himself and thousands of others. His surveys linked infection to subtle shifts in personality. In one study, certain infected drivers showed higher rates of traffic accidents. Reaction times appeared slower. Risk-taking appeared higher. Some studies even hint at links to certain mental illnesses. Researchers urge caution here. Correlation is not proof of cause. Most infected people live entirely normal, healthy lives. The effects, if real, are small and easy to overstate. We are not zombies, but we may be gently nudged. Still, the implications are unsettling. A creature too small to see may shade your choices. In some countries, over half the population carries it. It hides in muscle and brain, waiting, quiet, patient. For most, the immune system keeps it locked away forever. Only the parasite knows what, if anything, it whispers. The line between you and your biology is thin. Next time a cat watches you, remember the rat in the arena. Somewhere, something small may be tilting the odds of life.